Hello student, today we are going to do paper 2 May June 2021 word processing part. So this is your question paper. Let me start from the beginning. Task 1, evidence document. So we have to prepare our evidence document. Open the file j2121 evidence.rtf. Let me open that file. The file is copied in the desktop. This is our evidence document. Enable editing. Now, according to the question paper, what they are asking to do, make sure that your name, center number and candidate number will appear on every page of this document. That means they did not mention where it will be, header or footer. So better to give in the header. So click insert menu, click on header, select the second option, write down your name. I'm writing my name, then center number. If you are from boy side, you have to write down SA139. And if you're from girl side, SX139. And candidate number, by default I'm giving some random candidate number. So after that, double click inside. Now next question, what they're asking, save the document in your work area, J2121 evidence followed by your candidate number. For example, evidence 999. So you have to save it as a Word document. So file, in the same folder, save as, in the same folder, 21 folder, it should be Word document. And evidence, after that you have to write down your candidate numbers, like our candidate number, my candidate number was 1234. Save, done. Now after that you will need your evidence document during the examination to place a screenshot when required. So you have to take the screenshot here, so you know these things. Now let's start the main Word document part. Task 2, document. First, you need to read the statement given by the examiner. After reading the statement, you will understand many things that what you have to do in further questions. Like here they mention, examiner mention, you are going to edit a document to help organize a triathlon. A corporate house style must be used. A 3-paragraph style have already been created. So if you see this type of thing, some style already been created, that means you have to be very attentive during changing the spacing. Like you see different values given in the spacing, and even after and before that one. So you have to be very careful about that. An additional paragraph style must be created and applied to the document as instructed. Open the file j2121 triathlon.rtf. Page setup is set to A4, portrait orientation with 2.5 cm margins. Do not make any changes to this setting. That means just you have to open, no need to do any change here. And then what they mention, the TN-body style has been created. Okay, so here again they mention some style has been created. Stored and apply the body text in the document. Do not make any changes to this. Okay, now save the document in your work area in the format of the software you are using. So we are using Word document, so we have to save it as a Word document with the file name evpack. So let me open the triathlon.rtf from our folder. This is the folder. After that, enable editing. Now we have to save it. File, save as. It should be Word document. What will be the file name? According to the question paper, we have to save that one. evpack in capital letter. Save. After that, what they are asking to do, evidence 1, place in your evidence document screenshot to show the file has been saved. Make sure that there is evidence of the file type. So what you have to take the screenshot that you save that evpack. So where is our evpack? This is our evpack. Now we need to take the screenshot, print screen, and go to your evidence document. For print screen, you can press print screen button, or you can use snipping tools also. So after evidence 1, just put your screenshot. No need to take the whole thing. So crop it, format, crop it. Just you need to keep that file, particular file. Even the file type should be mentioned. So type is already mentioned. If type is not mentioned, you need to bring the type. So crop it properly. Now make it bigger so examiner should understand. Okay, done. Perfectly done. Now next one, remove any page break from the document. Number one, question number 2. So if question number 2, if any page break is there, we need to remove that one. So we need to go to home menu for that, and you will see here something like given queue. This is called page break. So first you need to click here. Now you will see the page break is given. Here is the page break. So you can keep your cursor pointer before this page break line or after this page break line. If you keep your cursor pointer before this page break line, press delete button, and if you keep it after this line, then press backspace button. So first page break is deleted, and next page we have to search for another one. Maybe 2 or 3 is given, so delete it by pressing backspace. Now check any more is there. No more page break is there. So our page break part is done. So we can again click here page break part, because our page break is over. Now next one, place in your header the name header your name, center number and candidate number, right align. Place in the footer automated page number in the center align. So header in the right align, insert header. So right align, you write your name, comma, center number, candidate number, left align and center align is not needed. So our header is done. Now again insert, go to footer, click on footer, select this one. In the center align they are asking the automated page number, so you need to go to you have to select the center align part, go to insert menu, quick part, select field, then then you just select P, then page will come. From the right side you just need to give 1 to 3. Okay, now left align part should be deleted, even the right align part should be deleted. Now double click inside. Now recheck that whether the page number and header is given properly or not. Yes, this is the header, and this is the page number of the first page, this is the header, second page, and this is the page number of the second page, even the third page also. Done, perfectly done. Now next one, what they're asking to do, make sure that we already did this part. Everything is done properly. At the start of the document, enter the title, triathlon event pack. So you have to write down this sentence in the start of the document. So let me go to the start of the document. So there is no space of the start of the document, so keep your cursor pointer before the first word. Now press enter, and there will be some space, and paste your line. Okay, done. After that, create and store the following style, basing it on the default paragraph style. Okay, TN title you have to create. So for that, what we have to do, we have to go to home menu, click here this style part, and select save selection. Before that you need to keep your cursor pointer at the beginning, that triathlon event bar. Okay, and here you have to write down the new style name, TN title, and check the question paper properly. First 2 alphabet is capital letter, and then hyphen title, then click on modify, and after that, according to the question paper, serif font, serif means with line, that means Times New Roman. Okay, Times New Roman. Okay, then it should be 34 point, so it should be 34 is not written here, so you have to write manually 34 point. Then after that, center alignment is center, this one. Now you can check gradually it is changing here also. You can identify that whether whatever you are doing is perfect or not. Now next, bold and italic. So bold and italic. So after that, line spacing should be single, and before will be space before, and space after will be both will be 0. So for line spacing we need to go to format, paragraph, it will be before 0, after 0, and single line spacing. It is okay. Sorry, before 0 line spacing, paragraph, before 0, and after also 0. here we made a mistake, so we have to be very careful to do this. So after also 0, done. Then press OK. See, it is applied automatically because our cursor pointer was here in the title. Now next, apply TN style, title text enter insert. So it is already applied automatically. Evidence 2, place in your evidence document screenshot to show that style setting had been defined for the TN title style. Make sure that style is based on the default paragraph style. So what you have to do, you have to take the screenshot of TN title, modify whatever things you did. So right click over the TN and modify, and here you can see all the thing is given except one. After is given but before value was not given. So what we can do, you can bring that screenshot also where you did the change. So you can take two screenshot in one screen. So press print screen button or snipping tool. Okay, go to your evidence document. Under evidence 2 you need to put the screenshot, and then you can crop it, format, crop it. Background part is not needed, just you need to keep these two screenshots together. So examiner should understand that what are the change they are asking for. You did all the change perfectly. So make it bigger little bit, so everything should be visible, like what are the change you did. So you need to make the screen little bit bigger also. Let me crop more. Perfect. Done. Here also done. Okay, now next question, what they're asking to do, select the subheading general and the following text up to and include the paragraph ending competitors to each category. Select the subheading general and the following text up to and including the paragraph ending competitors in each category. Change this page layout so that only the text is displayed, two column of equal width with a 1.5 centimeter space between them. So in that case, if you see, the subheading is general, and the last line they are asking about, we can find it out very easily. So what was the last line? Ending competitors to each category. If you want to find out easily, so just copy these things, or in your main document just press Ctrl F and then write down that particular word and press enter. You will see that sentence is given here. So automatically computer will find out these things. Now up to here you have to apply, up to here from the general subheading, and up to here you have to apply two column, and spacing should be 1.5 centimeters. So what I will do, I will block from general to that part, category part, and then go to page layout, column, more column. It should be two column, and spacing according to the question paper 1.5 centimeter, 1.5 cm. Okay, done, perfectly done. Now next part, applied bullet the text swim 60 minutes to 1 hour 20 minutes. So I need to find out these things also. Swim 60 minutes. So and we need to apply bullet points. So we can find it easily. Just press Ctrl F, same process, and press this word, and computer will find it easily. Now it is easy to find out and apply quickly. So block this 3 line and just go to home menu, apply any kind of bullet point. So it is already applied. Now next one, what they're asking, make sure that the bullet are indented 1.5 centimeter from the left margin. Okay, left side from the beginning of the text. Left side means beginning of the text. The list is single line spacing with no space before and after each line. Now what you have to do, you have to go to paragraph by clicking this small arrow button, paragraph option, and here indentation. If you see here, it is given indentation, and it should be before text. Left means before text. In some computer it will show you left. In my laptop it is showing before text, that means left. It should be what? 1.5 centimeters. So you need to remove this 0.63 and you have to write down 1.5 centimeter. Done. And 0, and after that the list is single line spacing with no space before and after each line. So here it is given before 0, after is given 6, so it should be 0 and it should be single line. Done. Perfect. Now next one, what they are asking, there is a 6-point space after the last item of the list. So last item of the list means the last line. So there will be space, 6-point space after this line. So block this line. Then what you have to do, you have to click paragraph option, and after will be 6-point. After spacing will be 6-point. Done. Then next one, the style name TN subhead has already been created and stored and applied to the 6 subheadings. That means this style already been created. Now modify the TN subhead style. So only the following formatting is applied. So you need to modify this one. When you modify, you have to be very careful about that. So TN subhead. Now let me find out TN subhead. This one. Right click, modify. And here what you have to do, TN subhead, before that you just click outside, then right click, modify. According to the question paper, TN subhead serif font, that means Times New Roman. Then next one, 18-point center align. It should be 18-point. It should be center align. Then italic all caps, alignment center, italic all caps. They did not ask for bold, so it should not be there. Underline should not be there. So italic, and for all caps you need to go to format, then font, all caps you need to select. Okay, done. Now next one, single 09, after will be 09. So go to format, paragraph, and see, I told you that if something is defined already, some style is defined already, that time you have to be very careful about the spacing and the space before and after. Single line spacing is correct, but it should be 0, not 18. 0, and after will be 9. Okay, done. Perfectly done. Okay. Okay. Now you can check all subheading is changed. Okay, next one. Place in your evidence document screenshot of the amended setting for the subhead style. So you can you have to take the screenshot. So subhead, right click, modify. You have to take 2 screenshot. The font one also 3 screenshot, I think. Font all caps. Here all caps is written. See, here is nothing written like all caps. If I observe this one heading, all caps is mentioned, but before and after is not mentioned. So we need to go to paragraph. After will be 09, before will be 0. So this screenshot we need to take, print screen, and we need to go to evidence document. But before that we need to press OK. Evidence, under evidence 3 we need to paste it here and select this one, format, crop it. And make it a little bit bigger so examiner should understand, see the changes properly. Yes, perfectly done. Now next question, format the paragraph that starts. This is an important part so that it is indent. Okay, first we need to find out this paragraph. So we need to go to our main document, Control F, the same process, write down this particular sentence, and this paragraph, this is an important part. They're talking about this part, and it should be up to so that. Oh, they're talking about only this paragraph. Okay. And this so that is not part of a paragraph. So that it indented to 1 centimeter from both left and right hand margin and display the external 3 to 4 point black background, black border. Okay, very good. So we need to block this one. First we will define the border. So click here, then border and shading, and here it should be mentioned apply to paragraph, and then click on box, and border width should be 3 to 4. I think they mentioned like that, so I can mention 3. What they are asking, 3 to 4 points, so 3 point, but you have to be very careful here. Apply to paragraph. Okay, here you will get two option, paragraph and text. You will mention paragraph box. Okay, then press OK. This is your paragraph. Now we'll do the indentation part. For that indentation, what they're asking, 1 centimeter from both left and right hand. So here again go to paragraph, and indentation before and after will be 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter before and 1 centimeter after. And what they're asking after that also, and indent 1 centimeter from both left and right margin display. Okay, these are the things they're asking, this one only, and then press OK. It will be look like this. Perfect. Now next one, what they're asking, look at the table in the document, delete the entire column and content with the heading distance. Okay, entire column and the content both. So where is our table? We have to find out the table. Basically this is the table, and you will see some plus sign is given. So block this thing. One important part is that when you try to edit something like table in the Word document, first what you will do from yourself, they will not mention in the question paper at the beginning, you will make sure that table border is visible. So you will just select the whole table by clicking this plus sign, and then click here all borders. Okay, now the table is visible. After that they are asking to delete which one, delete the entire column and content of the heading distance. So where is the heading distance? So block this part by like clicking here, right click, delete column, done. Now did you see one thing, that the border is coming like 3 points, so it should not be like that, it should be normal. So what I will do, border and shading, this point should be like half PD, box, all borders. Okay, done. Okay, now double click between two column after selection, then the width of the table will be like the width of the column. Okay, perfect. Now next what they are asking, format the table so that the left column look like this. So left one should be look like this, swim web details. So block this one, that means merge, left column should be merge. So block left column only by clicking like this, right click, merge cell, and it should be the text should be layout should be changed. So select layout, text direction, select text direction. It should be according to the question paper. Now see in the question paper how they mention swim web details, it will be 2 lines, right? So if you see the font size is bigger or not, swim web details, just keep it like that. And then background color and font color should be white, background color should be black. So just go to home menu, this one background, select just drag this part or block this whole area, like background will be black and font color will be white, and font should be bold also. Done. Now next one, what they're asking, everything is given. Make sure that TN table style is applied to all the data of the column 2, 3, 4. The text in the column 2, 3, 4 displayed one line, and the table border and all the data fit in the column with, okay, 1 point black internal and external grid line. Oh, this grid line should be 1 point, so block this one, and grid line, border and shading, grid line should be 1 point, so just make it 1 point and then press OK. Now it will be a little bit darker, and this one will be in second line, and it should be center aligned also. So block this whole text and it should be center and middle like this. Swim wave details according to the question paper. Yes, done. And block the whole things here. They're talking about column TN table style applied to all the data in the column 2, 3, 4. So block column 2 separately, press Ctrl button, block 3, block 4. Don't block column number 1. And TN table. So this is TN table already created. Just you need to apply. And what they mention here, text in column 2, 3, 4 displayed on one line. So text should be in one line. So now see the column 2 text is not one line. So what you can do, you can make the column 2 little bit bigger. Okay, so now everything is one line. Perfect. Now text column 2, 3 fit one line. The table border fit with the column width. Now check the border is fitting with the column width or not. Yes, it fit with the column width. You can make it little bit smaller also this side. Okay, and this one also a little bit smaller. Now it will be look like this. Perfect. Now next one, what they are asking, table fit on the column width, 1 point black internal and external grid line. Done this one. There is a 6 point space after the table. This is very important part. After the table there is no space, so we cannot block the last row. So what I will do, I will block the line after the table. The first line I will block, then go to paragraph, then after will be 6 point, after will be 0, after will be 0 because after table, that means before the line. So before will be 6 point, and then press OK. Now you see that space is given. This is very important part. Please take care about that one. Done. Input the image J21 2121 swim and place it the paragraph beginning. Please it in the paragraph beginning. Please follow the race directors. Okay, now we have to find out this one. Please follow the race directors in the paragraph beginning. Okay, now we have to find out this one. Control F, Control V, okay, sorry, please Control C, copy it properly, Control V. Yes, we need to put it beginning of this paragraph. Okay, now what I need to do, just close this screen. Here we need to give this image and place this paragraph beginning. Okay, so okay, now let me insert the picture first. What is the name of the picture? Swim.png. So click on insert picture, desktop, 2-1 swim. Okay, done. And what we need to do after that, we already inputted the picture. Reflect or flip the image so that so the hand is on the left. So hand is showing like right side, it should be left side. Okay, so rotation, click on format menu, rotation, flip horizontal. Now it will be left side. Done. And then what we need to do, format the image so that it is resized to 2.5 centimeter with aspect ratio maintained. Aspect ratio maintained, that means if you change the width, height will change automatically. If you change the height, width will be changed automatically. Now they are asking to change width and maintain aspect ratio. So right click over the picture, then format picture, then picture format, right click, size and position, and with maintain aspect ratio, lock aspect ratio, and width will be, what is the width? 2.5 centimeter. So it should be 2.5 centimeter. then press OK. It will be look like this, and then what they're asking to do, it is aligned to the right of the column and top of the paragraph. Starting, please follow the raised directors. The text wrap around the image, so right of the column. So what you have to do, select the picture, then go to home. Alignment should be right side, and so what you can do this way also you can do, or just press this one down, this paragraph, and select the picture, make it right side, then it will be right aligned, and right click over this one and wrap text, it should be tight. Now see what they mention, it is aligned to the right of the column and top of the paragraph. Starting, please follow the raised directors. So the starting line should be please follow the, so starting line is here, but our picture is little bit up, so every time you will face this problem. In that case, what you need to do, you need to drag the picture little bit down. Okay, now due to that you will get some space here, so you need to remove this space by pressing backspace button once. Done. Okay, now next one, what they're asking, the text wrap around the text, it is done. Spell check and proofread the document. Now we need to do for spell checking, we need to go for the spell checking. Now for spell checking you need to go to review, spelling and grammar, rules and regulation, rules regulation. Okay, this is okay because this is ignore, because they ask for capital letter, so you can ignore rules. And then in impairment, so change, then the race cutoff time for each component is okay, change, numbers, okay, change, ignore all because name cannot be wrong. Done. Okay, perfect. So this is our things. Here you have to give one space, because just press one enter, because it is new paragraph, that space is given bigger, so it should be 6 point, right? So what you can do, you can keep it like this way, and here everywhere space for before new paragraph is 6 point, check. So here you can block this line, sorry, block this line, space will be here, or you can just press enter. You can block this line, then go to home menu, paragraph, space 6 point. Okay, done. After, before, after, no, after will be 0, before will be 6 point. Okay, done. Perfect. Now you can see the thing like other paragraph. Done. Now next, what they are asking, the list table and indented paragraph with border are not split over columns and page. Yes, everything is okay. There are no widow and orphan. Widow and orphan means that last line of the paragraph should not be next page, or the first line of the paragraph should not be other page. Okay, there are no page break. Page break is already deleted. Styles are applied consistently. It's done. Spacing is consistent and between all items. So spacing is done perfectly. It was wrong first time. I corrected it here also. 6 point, right? Now next one, spacing is okay. Save the document and using the same file name and format used in step 1. Print the document. Okay. Now just you need to print it. That's all. Hope you understood properly. If you have any question, you can ask me in the class. Thank you for watching.